In this video, I will tell you about +1 blur test. This test is used to check spherical correction of a prescription at the end of subjective refraction, and then you add +1 diopter lens in final distance correction in the trial frame and reassess the visual acuity. Since you are adding additional +1 lens in the trial frame, so obviously the visual acuity will be decreased. And the rule you should remember that the addition of +1 lens should decrease visual acuity by 4 lines of Snellen chart. It means that if visual acuity at the end of subjective refraction is 6/6, then with +1 lens it should drop to 6/18. If this is the case, it means that spherical correction of your prescription is correct. Now let us see what are the other possibilities. Let's suppose we have done subjective refraction and visual acuity is 6/6. When we put +1 diopter lens in front of one eye, the other eye is occluded. There are two possibilities. Number one is the decrease in visual acuity is less than what was expected, and other is the decrease in more than what was expected. In the first case, let's suppose the visual acuity after +1 lens is 6/9, and in the other case, let us suppose it is 6/24. So in the first case, where the decrease in visual acuity is less than what was expected, it means that in this case you have over minused or under plused the patient. Over minused means that the myopia of patient is over corrected, and under plused means that the hypermetropia of patient is undercorrected. In the other case, the results are opposite to that of first one, that is, the patient is under minused or over plused. Under minused means that myopia is undercorrected, and over plused means that hypermetropia is overcorrected. And in both these cases, prescription should be rechecked. The spherical component of your refraction should be rechecked. So this is the basic principle of +1 blur test. Now let's see the application of this test with the help of a couple of examples. Example number 1, we have a patient in which right eye has +3 with +1 cylinder at 90 and visual acuity achieved is 6/6, and in the left eye with +4 sapphire and +1.50 cylinder at 90 visual acuity is again 6/6. So put +1 diopter lens in front of right eye, left eye is occluded. The visual acuity drops to 6/9. We are expecting that visual acuity will drop to 6/18, but in this case it comes out to be 6/9. It means that in this case hypermetropia is undercorrected. Recheck spherical correction, which should be more than +3. Now let us see what happens in his left eye. Again same procedure. The visual acuity drops to 6/24. It means that hypermetropia is overcorrected in the left eye. And again recheck spherical correction, which should be less than +4. Example number 2, we have a patient who has prescription in right eye -4 with -2 at 80, and in the left eye -5 with -1 cylinder at 80 axis, and visual acuity in both eyes is 6/6. Again put +1 diopter lens in front of right eye, left eye is occluded, and visual acuity drops to 6/24. So it means that in right eye myopia is undercorrected. Again recheck spherical correction, which should be more than -4. Now in the left eye, same procedure, visual acuity drops to 6/9. It means that myopia is overcorrected. And recheck spherical correction, which should be less than -5.